Halim Sir, we care youngsters. Welcome to my YouTube channel. IELTS Speaking Practice 6, a journey inside you. Let's start. Take a mirror in front of you. You have to speak to the mirror as an examiner and try to look what kind of pronunciation or what kind of body language you have. Part 1. You have to use 4 to 5 minutes in front of the examiner. Today's part 1 is social media. About social media. So give answer about the questions. First one. Which social media websites do you use? Give answer to the mirror. Which social media websites do you use? Okay. Next. How much time do you spend on social media sites? Why? Or why not? If you don't use your time, you can say no and express your feelings. Why not? Number 3. What kind of information about yourself have you put on social media? Why or why not? Last question. Is there anything you don't like about social media? Is there anything you don't like about social media? Why? Very good. Now part 2. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 or 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. Part 2. The topic is describe something you liked very much, which you bought for your home. You should say what you bought, when and where you bought it, why you chose this particular thing. and explain why you liked it so much. You can make a note so that you can give answer thoroughly. If you will speak spontaneously, you can get 8 or 7 in speaking module. Okay, tell me about it. Very good. Now turn part 3. Part 3. Discussion topics is what? Creating a nice home. Questions: why do some people buy lots of things for their home? Do you think it is very expensive to make a home look nice? Why don't some people care about how their home looks? Different types of home. In what ways is living in a flat or apartment better than living in a house? Do you think homes will look different in future? Do you agree that the kind of homes people prefer changes as they get older? Give your answer elaborately. If you will speak spontaneously, examiner will give you 8 or 7 band score. It's very important for your overall IELTS score. For this reason, you have to try to practice more and more. For COVID-19, we don't practice speaking English. For this reason, we are suffering much. So, have a mirror and try to give answer of these questions to the mirror. And one day, I think you will be a global speaker and great speaker also. And you can get 8 IELTS band score. Wishing you a golden future. Dear viewers, write your feelings to the comment box of this video or my Facebook page, Halim Sir. Thank you. Goodbye.